What's up everyone and welcome back to Classified. My name is Purva और आज हम सेंट्रल मुंबई के एक ऐसे लोकेशन पे हैं जो काफ़ी अंडररेटेड है बट बहुत तेज़ी से ग्रो कर रही है। हम बात कर रहे हैं नाहर वेस्ट और भांडुप वेस्ट की और ये प्रोजेक्ट एक ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट है जो ट्रूली वैल्यू फॉर मनी का परफेक्ट एग्जाम्पल है। वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एशफोर्ड रीगल। But before we move ahead, let me quickly tell you what is Casify. Casify is a platform where we connect home buyers directly with the developers. That means no brokerage, no random commissions and no spam phone calls. Because on Casify, the listing is done directly by the builder and not the broker. As home buying should be simple and not complicated. Now, let's move back to the project details. Let's start with the basics. This is a well-planned 7.8-acre project where you will be getting 5 towers of ground plus 40 stories. मतलब आपका घर इतना ऊपर होगा that you will get serene eastern mangroves view right in the middle of central Mumbai. Also, you will be getting 1 and 2 BHK options to choose from, and again you have Jodi options available who want some extra space. And now speaking about the best part, the amenities. This project has 30 plus amenities spread across 3 acres of podium. You have 15,000 square feet of clubhouse and 6,000 square feet of swimming pool that will include your adults and kids pool. You have other amenities like fitness center, yoga zone, kids play area, indoor games and many more. Plus the best part about the project is that you have a rainwater harvesting system. Great configurations and great amenities. And now let's talk about the location. Project is located near the Goregaon Mulund Link Road, जहाँ से नाहर रेलवे स्टेशन सिर्फ 500 मीटर की दूरी पे है, हार्डली 5 to 6 minutes of walking distance. साथ ही फ्यूचर गोल्ड है यहाँ का मेट्रो कनेक्टिविटी because upcoming Metro Line 4 and Metro Line 6 both are nearby, जिससे इस लोकेशन का रियल स्टेट सिग्निफिकेंटली जंप करेगा. सो जो भी इन्वेस्ट कर रहा है वो तो डेफिनेटली फायदे में रहेगा. एंड बात करें रोड कनेक्टिविटी की तो ईस्टर्न एक्सप्रेस हाईवे एंड LBS मार्ग both are nearby, so you can easily connect towards the western and the central suburbs. Also, you have school, colleges, hospital all nearby from the project. And now we are starting with the sample flat tour of the residential project Ashford Regal. We are entering the spacious 2 BHK that is spread across the carpet area of 602 square feet. As we enter, you can have a look. This over here is your spacious living and dining area. You can easily place your large size sofas, customize your TV unit and place your center table in the living. Also, in this apartment, you will be getting half French windows with glass facade provided for safety and a beautiful standing balcony view. Also, you have Jodi options available, so you can choose that later. And over here is your dining corner where you can easily place a 4-people dining table and enjoy meal time with your small nuclear family. Moving forward, over here is your alley area that has entrance to your bedrooms, common washroom and kitchen. Over here we have your kitchen space where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms along with the stainless steel sink. You also have space to place your washing machine and you can also place your refrigerator in this corner. And you can customize your kitchen totally as per your choice. Opposite to your kitchen is your first bedroom, that is your common bedroom. You can have a look how spacious this bedroom is. You can place your king or queen size bed along with your side tables. You can customize a study corner if you wish to. And again, you will be getting half French windows with glass facade provided for a beautiful standing balcony look. And moving forward, as we exit from this bedroom, beside your kitchen is your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And now we'll move to the master bedroom of this spacious 2 BHK. As we enter, you can have a look. This over here is the space of your master bedroom where you can easily place your king size bed. Along with your side tables, you have walkable space even after placing all your furniture. You can customize your TV unit, and again, You will be getting half French windows with glass facade provided for beautiful standing balcony look and safety. Also, you have a very spacious wardrobe space that you can customize totally as per your choice. And in this corner, we have your private washroom that will again come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this was a sample flat tour of the residential project Ashford Regal. Okay, so that was the complete tour of Ashford Regal Nahur West Bhandup West. अब मैं honestly final summary देती हूँ. 7.8 acre township in Nahur West with 40-story towers, rare scale for this price. Residences overlooking the eastern mangroves, a view very few Mumbai projects can offer. Nahur railway station is just 500 meters away. Daily commute is effortless. Metro Line 4 and Metro Line 6 both upcoming nearby. Future connectivity and price appreciation almost guaranteed. GMLR location connecting you to both western and central suburbs seamlessly. If you are a first-time home buyer looking for a trusted builder, a premium address and a genuine quality at an honest price, Ashford Regal is one of the strongest options in Bhandup West, Nahur West right now. तो दोस्तों दैट वाज माय कंप्लीट ऑनेस्ट रिव्यू ऑफ एशफोर्ड रीगल भांडुप वेस्ट नाहर वेस्ट। और ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा हो सो प्लीज़ लाइक करो, शेयर करो और किसी दोस्त के साथ शेयर करो जो घर ढूंढ रहे हो। और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करना। साइट विजिट बुक करनी हो या फ्लोर प्लान्स चाहिए, डिस्क्रिप्शन में नंबर और लिंक दिया हुआ है। कमेंट में ज़रूर बताओ कि क्या आप भांडुप वेस्ट में प्रॉपर्टी कंसिडर कर रहे हो। We reply to every comment that you post. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टिल देन टेक केयर।